Hey there, savvy savers. Ever had that sinking feeling when your credit card application gets declined? It's frustrating, but don't worry. I'm here to guide you through fixing it, especially with the latest updates for 2025. In today's video, we'll break down why this happens and the steps you can take to turn things around quickly. Let's dive in. First off, understand the common reasons for a decline. In 2025, lenders are even stricter due to economic changes, so issues like a low credit score, too many recent applications, or errors in your application details could be the culprits. Start by pulling your credit report from major bureaus. It's free once a year. Look for inaccuracies, high debt levels, or missed payments that might be dragging you down. Once you know the problem, it's time for action. Step 1. Improve your credit score. Pay down existing debts, make all payments on time, and keep your credit utilization under 30%. This could take a few months, but it's worth it. Step 2. If you applied recently, wait at least 6 months before trying again to avoid multiple hard inquiries hurting your score even more. Use this time to build positive habits. Another key step is double-checking your application. In 2025, some banks have updated requirements, like verifying income through digital means, so ensure all your info is accurate and up to date. If you were declined due to specific reasons like insufficient income, consider a secured credit card as a stepping stone. Finally, don't forget to monitor your progress. Apps and tools make it easier than ever to track your credit in real time. Remember, rebuilding credit is a marathon, not a sprint, but with these strategies, you'll be approved in no time. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more financial tips, and drop a comment below on your experiences. Let's get your finances back on track. See you in the next one.